Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best insulation multimeter is probably one of the most essential tools for any electrician or maintenance professional. Today, we're diving deep into the Fluke 1587 FC, a multimeter that promises to be a game-changer in electrical testing. We'll explore its features, from insulation resistance testing to its advanced Fluke Connect capabilities, and see if it lives up to the hype. Get ready to find out if this is the right tool to add to your kit. Number 5. Fluke 1587 calories Insulation Multimeter. This is the Fluke 1587 calories Insulation Multimeter. It's designed for accuracy and reliability. With this, you can ensure your electrical systems are safe and efficient. The multimeter offers up to 1000 V insulation test voltage. This feature allows it to handle a wide range of applications. It provides the power you need for thorough testing. Each unit comes with a NIST traceable calibration certificate. This guarantees the accuracy of the measurements. You can trust its performance. It's proudly made in the United States. The product reflects quality craftsmanship and is built to last. You can rely on it for years to come. The package dimensions are 14.3 L x 11.4 W x 4.2 H, and it weighs 4.9 pounds. It's designed to be portable and easy to use. It's a great tool for any professional. What we like. This Fluke 1587 calories offers NIST traceable calibration, ensuring accuracy. It's ideal for professionals who require precise measurements and documentation. If you need reliable, calibrated results, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The Fluke 1587 FC is a great product. The remote probe is a great feature. The product works very well. Number 4. ennoLogic M870M Insulation Tester and Multimeter. This is the ennoLogic M870M, a combination insulation tester and professional multimeter. It measures insulation resistance from 50 ohms to 2 gigohms with various test voltages. This instrument is designed for accuracy and ease of use. The M870M offers multiple test voltages, 50 V, 100 V, 250 V, 500 V, and 1000 V. The large backlit LCD displays both test voltage and insulation resistance at the same time. The meter is rated for 1000 V Cat 3 installations. Beyond insulation testing, it functions as a full-featured multimeter. It measures AC and DC voltage and current, resistance, continuity, and more. A thermocouple probe is included for temperature measurements, making it a versatile tool. The device is powered by 6 AAA batteries and includes an auto power-off feature to conserve battery life. It also features both auto and manual ranging, as well as max, min, and hold functions. You can easily disable the auto power-off function. The package includes the M870M, test leads, alligator clips, a thermocouple probe, batteries, a carrying case, and a detailed user manual. It also comes with a 10-year warranty, ensuring reliability and customer satisfaction. What we like. The M870M is a versatile instrument with a 10-year warranty, offering peace of mind. It combines multiple functions in one device, including true RMS for accurate AC measurements. If you are looking for a comprehensive and reliable multimeter, this is a great option. What people say. The Fluke 1587 FC is a great product. The meter is very easy to use and has a lot of features. It is a great tool for troubleshooting electrical problems. Number 3. Fluke 1587 MDT FC Kit and I400 clamp in 9040. This is the Fluke 1587 FC Insulation Multimeter. It's a single tool that helps you perform advanced insulation testing. It's perfect for preventive maintenance and PDM tasks. The Fluke i400 clamp meter is the only current clamp available with a Cat 4 600V Cat 3 1000V safety rating. It is designed to keep you safe while you work. This tool is a must-have for any professional. The Fluke 9040 phase rotation indicator measures phase rotation. It's used where 3-phase supplies feed motors. It helps ensure everything is running correctly and safely. This kit includes the Fluke 1587 FC, i400, and 9040. It is designed to help you with all your motor and drive needs. With this kit, you'll be able to tackle a wide range of tasks. This kit provides a complete solution for electrical testing and maintenance. It is designed to make your job easier and more efficient. Get yours today. What we like. This kit allows for advanced insulation testing, perfect for preventive maintenance. It includes a clamp meter with a high safety rating. If you work with motors and drives and prioritize safety, you should consider this. What people say. The Fluke 1587 FC is a great product. The remote probe is a great feature. The ability to trend measurements over time is very useful. Number 2. RLSOCO case for Fluke and Brymen multimeter. This hard carrying case is designed for Fluke and Brymen multimeters. It fits various models and accessories, ensuring everything is in one place. This case is a perfect companion for your device. Made with high-precision fabric and high-density EVA lining, this case is built to last. The sturdy design keeps your device safe and secure. It's a reliable choice for protecting your valuable equipment. The case features a security strap to keep your multimeter and accessories secure. There's plenty of room for meter leads and clamp heads, keeping everything organized. It provides excellent protection for your expensive multimeter. With a thick rubber handle, this case is easy to carry. You can conveniently put it in your toolbox, backpack, or luggage. It's designed for easy transport on the job. All products are made with qualified materials, ensuring durability and reliability. This hard-shell EVA case is built to withstand daily use. You can trust it to protect your investment. What we like. This hard case provides excellent protection for your multimeter and accessories. It's designed for easy carrying and offers great compatibility. If you like to keep your equipment safe and organized, this case is a must-have. What people say. This case is rugged, it has a handle, and it is the perfect size for the meter. Got the case for my insulation meter and it fits perfectly with all the leads and clamps. Great fit, good quality. Number 1. Fluke 1507 Insulation Tester. This is the Fluke 1507 Insulation Tester. It can measure from 0.01 megohms to 10 gigohms. It's a reliable tool for various electrical testing needs. The tester offers multiple test voltages. This makes it ideal for troubleshooting, commissioning, and preventive maintenance tasks. It helps ensure everything runs smoothly. This is perfect for a range of applications. Whether you're diagnosing issues or performing routine checks, it provides accurate results. You can count on it. Additional features save both time and money. These features streamline testing processes, making your work more efficient. It's designed to help you save. The Fluke 1507 offers great performance at an exceptional value. You get a high-quality tool without breaking the bank. It's a smart investment. What we like. This Fluke 1507 offers multiple test voltages and time-saving features. It provides great performance at an exceptional value. If you are looking for a reliable and cost-effective insulation tester, this is a great choice. What people say. Had same one for years. Never had a problem. This is a replacement. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.